Hello, bachcho. So let's read this question. Statement 1. Rusting of iron is an example of corrosion, but turnishing of sodium metal is not. Statement 2. Covering of bis-phenol protect iron from rusting. SN, tin and zinc are used to protect iron from rusting. True statements are. हमें true statements बतानी है इनमें से, and these are the options that have been given to us. Now let us write the key concept of the question. Key concept of this question will be corrosion of iron in presence of moisture and atmosphere is called rusting. Now, if we look at the first statement that has been given to us, पहली statement हमें दे रखी है rusting of iron is an example of corrosion, whereas tarnishing of sodium is not corrosion. So this statement that has been given to us is false. Let us look at what is tarnishing of sodium. Tarnishing of sodium. Tarnishing of sodium होता है when sodium metal, we know that sodium is a soft alkali, metal that reacts rapidly with the water and oxygen in air. And oxygen in air. This forms a layer of oxide and hydroxide and hydroxide. This is known as tarnishing. अब हमें पता है corrosion की भी definition ये होती है when a layer of oxide is formed on the surface of a metal, it is known as corrosion, and tarnishing is doing the exact same thing to the sodium metal. It is forming a layer of oxide or hydroxide on its surface in the presence of water and oxygen in the air. So we can say that tarnishing is corrosion of sodium metal. So our first statement is false. हमारी second statement हमें दे रखी है covering of bisphenol protect iron from rusting. Now if we look at this option or if we look at this statement, हम कह सकते हैं steel is prevented from rusting. We know steel is an alloy of iron. Steel is prevented from rusting with the help of a coating of epoxy or polyurethane. Polyurethane. These two substances are used to prevent corrosion contain bisphenol A. Used to prevent corrosion contains bisphenol A. So these coating can act as anti-corrosion material. तो हमारी second statement is true. Now if we look at the third statement हमें दे रखी है tin and zinc are used to protect iron from rusting. Now if we talk about tin, we know that tin is less reactive than metal, is less reactive than iron. So it provides a physical barrier between the surface and atmosphere. And if we talk about zinc, zinc is coated zinc zinc is coated onto the iron to prevent rusting and putting off protective layer of zinc onto iron is known as galvanization. तो हमारी थर्ड स्टेटमेंट भी ट्रू हो गई. तो हमारी सेकंड और थर्ड स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है वेयर एज फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है. So we have to tell about the true statement. So second and third statement is true. तो हमारा option number C is the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.